It's time to model a sink now, so let's begin. Separate the line 800 millimeters and draw 2000 millimeters wide, 100 millimeters down, and close the rectangle. Make a group, of course, and extrude it. Not perfectly, but for example 1 millimeter less, so 455 will be okay. Well, create a rectangle. It will be a place for sink, so type in 400, 700, and 700, and close rectangle. Now we can erase and create some curves, add more details, so it's identify info and 30. Also add more details there. Create a curve and type in 5 millimeters again, and 10 millimeters. Erase these faces, and now using extrude edges by rails, we will create a sink. So this curve, sides, and profile curve. It's making now. No, 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 and no, no. Okay, we can now hide it. Select the curves. Copy them and erase his face. And also copy this curve. Grab a corner and place it there, maybe down. Yes, just like that. My SketchUp stopped for a while. Okay, now we need a glass down there, so let's extrude for 3 millimeters, and again 3 millimeters. It's good. Maybe we should close the face. Close this one also. It's good now. We can make a white color. Later we will add a glass material for these planes. Also, let's open and soften smooth edges. Give 118 degrees and soften complainer. Same for this. And now we can explode and explode. It's good. Also we can round the edges. 2 millimeters and 6 segments. And also let's create the cabinets. So type in 250, 2000 again, 250, close the rectangle and extrude it for 250. It's good. Now let's divide into 3 segments. This would be a drawers. It's simple to create, so let's 1 millimeter, 1 and 1. Now push these faces by 18 millimeters and round edges of the drawers 3.6 and 6 segments. It's good. Maybe add details and round these edges, 1 millimeter and 3 segments. Sorry, 1 millimeter and 3 segments. Okay. Maybe select them. Okay, now. And well, we need also some pipes for water. Let's create them. Draw a circle, sorry, and 25 millimeters. Move it into a position to be such like, well, in this position it will be okay. And now draw line. Well, maybe let's extrude it. Okay. Make a group. Copy. One more. Open that group and close the face. Also use offset tool to make it thinner and extrude or push, I don't know. Erase these faces, and now get into the position. And the position is almost good. It's good now. The pipes are almost done. Only need some roundings there. It doesn't work. And it doesn't work because of the one problem, explode. Select this face and make a group, open it and round edges. Good. Maybe let's soften this circle. And now let's create a tab and copy 2 of them. It's also simple. Draw a line. We are going to use pipe along path tool. Draw a line and let it be 200 millimeters. Down 40. Good. And let's use pipe along path. And outside the diameter 30, 0 and 24. It's too fat. Let's make it thinner. So back, Ctrl Z on your keyboard and pipe along path again. Before that, select the edges, the lines, and type in 22. And it's okay. Open our pipes and offset tool to add details, round edges, by 0.4 millimeter, 3 segments. There are many edges. It's okay. Erase this plane and make offset down there to create something like this. Also around the edges. Okay, we have a pipe. Maybe it's too long, so scale it a little. Okay, and also make a handle or 2 of them. Actually, I don't know what handles should be, so let's imagine them. Let it be a circle again. Make a group. Extrude by 10 millimeter. Use offset. 2 millimeter. Offset again. And 12 millimeter. Maybe erase this case. It is good. It only needs roundings. Let's round the edges. Add more. 0.8 and 3 segments. It's perfect now. Let's make a circle for the coloring. For example, this would be a blue color, and in another side we will make a red one. And maybe let's select these faces. And push them. A little. 0.3. And enter. It's okay now. Let's copy and make a component of course. Let's name it a tap. It's good now. Let's maybe make it in a white color. Good. We can, well, it looks too long. Scale it again. Okay, now it's good. We can copy it. So here we go. We have created a cabinets and also taps with sync. See you on the next lesson.